My name is Xin Ye. I graduated from University College London. Currently, I'm enrolled in the 2023 in Zhejiang University for these past 6 months. The time has been incredibly fulfilling and enjoyable for me. A typical day for me at Zhejiang University usually starts with a morning lesson. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock and I come to a school canteen for breakfast. After that, I take a leisure walk to classroom and prepare for a day of learning. For example, I have one course called the Modern Data Analytics and Decision Making tomorrow. This lesson is mainly teach us how to use the R. R is the most powerful and popular data analysis tool. By learning this, for those students who want to get into the big data industry, it's going to be very helpful. During lunchtime, me and my classmates often gather for a meal together, and I must say the food at Zhejiang University's canteen is so delicious. After that, we usually meet up at a lab for study sessions. Occasionally, we also spend time on playing sports like swimming, tennis, or badminton to stay active and refreshed. This is my favorite place at Zhejiang University. I usually come here after lunch. When it's sunny, I enjoy reading books, lying on the grass, or just daydreaming. The best part of here is I can totally relax myself. This place is a study and discussion room that can be reserved by students. What I find most enjoyable about this room is it's very functional, with screens and whiteboards that are perfect for group discussion, collaborative work, and the view here is perfect. Additionally, the School of Management organizes networking events such as career fairs. Our school facilitates internship opportunities with alumni-owned businesses and famous companies such as L'Oreal, Alibaba, Geely. These internship opportunities offer valuable real-world experience and insights. Furthermore, for students keen on innovation and entrepreneurship, the university extends substantial support in this area as well. The school also built an incubation platform to help the initial stage of startups and future entrepreneurships. The campus provides an ideal environment for student learning and growth. There is a deliberate effort to break down traditional barriers between academic fields. Some of our courses have postgraduate and PhD students from the BEST program, promoting the integration of management and science research. This approach allows students to benefit from the strengths of different disciplines, share resources, and fostering a rich and collaborative learning environment.